Hello, and welcome to the Shooting Sports Education Center at Georgia Southern University. My name is Matt Horst, and as the Director of Facility, I would thank you for becoming a member with us. The SEC staff are here to uphold our core values of safe, clean, quality, dependable, and fun. We hope you take advantage of all the programs and services that we have to offer. And at any time, if the staff can be of assistance to you, please don't hesitate to ask. Now, an SEC staff member will lead you through the firearms safety video.
Hello, and welcome to the Georgia Southern Shooting Sports Education Center. This video will introduce you to some of the basic things you need to know about the SSEC. After checking in with the front desk, you should proceed to the first set of firearms range doors. Don't forget that you need to put on your eye and ear protection prior to entering the firearms range airlock. Please don't open both doors at once. Let one door close before opening the second door. This helps us keep lead particulates on the range and not in our common areas, and also keeps the sound from carrying throughout the lobby. You'll notice that each lane is numbered. An RSO might assign you to a specific lane. Each lane has a few pieces of equipment you should make yourself familiar with. This is the target retriever and control panel. Push away to move the target further away in half-meter increments. Push back to move it towards you in half-meter increments. You're able to pre-program set distance for one-button operation of the panel by waiting until the retriever is out at a set distance, by pushing and holding until it says Pro. Now, if you want to move it to the 10-meter line, all you have to do is press that corresponding number. The minimum shooting distance is 5 meters. Full-length targets must be placed high on the target hanger and shot at a minimum of 10 meters. Below the control panel is an intercom, which, if pushed, will notify our front desk attendant and is a way to communicate directly with them. On the right is an individual light knob, which controls the light in your stall. The range rules are located in each range on the interior wall. Number 1, always keep the firearm pointed in a safe direction. Assume that every firearm you encounter is loaded and treated as such by performing a clearance check to ensure it's unloaded, looking for a clear action, chamber, and magazine. Number 2, always keep your finger off the trigger until ready to shoot. Never point your firearm at anything you don't intend on destroying. Number 3, always keep the firearm unloaded until ready to shoot. Only load when preparing to use the firearm for its designed use. Firearms may only be loaded at the firing line. Firearms must be unloaded and secured in their travel case prior to leaving the range. It must be like this for entering and exiting the SSEC. Ammo must be stored separately. No food, drinks, or tobacco are allowed on our range, and no concealed carry is allowed. Drawing from the holster, buckshot and steel core ammo are prohibited. For your safety, closed-toed shoes are required when utilizing the firearms range. If you have an issue or malfunction while on the range, remain calm and try to unload the firearm. If you cannot, raise your hand to get the attention of the RSO on duty to assist you. If there is a danger to anyone on the range, please call a ceasefire. Ceasefire can be called by anyone on the range, not just an RSO. This means you should stop shooting immediately and place your firearm barrel facing downrange on the table and wait for instructions from your RSO. Make sure when you are finished shooting that you unload and show clear by checking the action, chamber, and the magazine. Once this process is complete, remember to bring your case to the firearm, not your firearm to the case. When leaving the range, you will notice a blue sticky mat on the floor. Make sure to walk across this. It collects the lead particulates off your shoes when you exit. Your hands will have lead on them as well. For this reason, we ask you to use our hand washing station, which is located just to the right of the counter after you exit our shooting range. Now that you've been introduced to the SSEC, you will have to score an 80% or greater on a written test, and then a practical evaluation on the range, which both can be completed relatively easily and quickly. The SSEC staff will provide you with your written exam now. Then you will finish with your practical on the range, which consists of the loading and unloading of a semi-automatic handgun and being able to hit a target at 5 meters, all while maintaining safe firearm handling skills. If you do not possess the ability to do this, we have the Firearms 101 course to help you. If you're a concealed carry weapons permit holder or active duty military, please be sure to let our staff know. Thank you for your support of the Shooting Sports Education Center, and we look forward to serving you.